try this at home. Billy Boats. All this RPM transmission and diff, and it's still broken. Alright, so Nick, what are we doing here today?
Fixing this transmission I broke drag racing.
So today we are pulling out this transmission and this subframe.
But
So right now we've got the caliper off, the strut is disconnected, and the nut on the upper control arm. The axle and all the brakes are coming off next so that we can drop this cross member with the transmission connected, hopefully. Back one.
yeah, I didn't know that. Alright, we're about to be loose, brother. Alright, you wanna try this again? Oh. Wires. Man, feels like I was just here. Doesn't it? Yep. Free bird.
She is out and on the ground. Now ready to move on to the rear diff and transmission.
Body work. Dude bottom hole.
Taking off the Billy Boatrums
The William boats.
so the rear diff can slide out. There she goes.
Lots of room now.
Lots of room for activities. Feel free to fart. Should be free.
Reach both of them at the same time. Too easy though, wouldn't it? Oh. This one's still rough at the back. slipping. Oh, I've got it. I'm holding it now. It's about to rest. Alright. So I got a cable up top here. And diff. Oh, can you hold it steady while I grab it? Got it? Yep. I mean, you can't if you want. That's what that was. I wondered why I had that one. And we
Slide her out. Transmission is officially out of the car.
See, this is the thing I was talking about. I don't know what this is. It was just like, is this a plug?
I don't know. Chat, leave your guesses in the comments on what that is.
We've got a million guys watching right now. Surely some of you have a Corvette.
Tell us what this is in the comments.